This video is about exercise and the benefits it provides to children with autism. So first I just wanted to go over what autism is. And autism is a span of conditions characterized by challenges like social skills, repetitive behavior, speech, and nonverbal communication. It is usually diagnosed during childhood and lasts throughout adulthood. Usually, autism is treated with programs that promote communication and cognitive skills, but new research finds that sports, exercise, and other physical activities can be useful and help with behavior and overall quality of life. Just for a little overview, many autistic children don't have exercise as part of their everyday routine. Many people don't believe that it's as beneficial as speech therapy or applied behavioral analysis. Data shows exercise offers as many benefits as traditional autism therapies plus some. There are many studies that say that exercise improves motor skills and movement along with social skills, academic performance, decrease bad behavior, and promote positive behaviors. Studies have shown that aerobic exercise can tremendously decrease negative behaviors like body rocking, hand flapping, head nodding, light staring, and spinning, while not decreasing the positive behaviors. Aerobic exercise like swimming and running are thought to be so beneficial because of their repetitive nature, which distracts the children from their own negative repetitive behaviors. For the research study, I chose a study that analyzed if mild or vigorous exercise was more beneficial in reducing the stereotypical repetitive behaviors often done by autistic children. And the hypothesis for the study was that vigorous exercise will decrease the stereotypical repetitive behavior more than the mild exercise will. And it was tested by taking 3 children that had high levels of stereotypical behavior. First, the children did physical activity like jogging and ball playing. The jogging was the vigorous exercise and the ball playing was the mild exercise. And they did the exercise in a large open field, and they did them in 15-minute time intervals. And immediately after the exercising, the children had their level of stereotypic responding recorded. And then after that, the kids were moved into a small living room that was furnished with couches, chairs, tables, and it had an adult that the kids didn't know in it. The room had some toys that the kids could play with, and the data recorders watched from a different room via a one-way window, and this setting was used for the baseline measurements. The results showed that jogging significantly decreased the stereotypical behavior in the children. For example, child 1 on day 1 had a stereotypic responding baseline of 88.75%, and after jogging, that went down to 40%. And the ball playing didn't have any trends to it. It made some kids' response go up, some down, and then it was different on different days, whereas the jogging, it always decreased the kids' stereotypic responding. And so the hypothesis was correct. And then here's just a page of my references.